Yeah, it's for a subcontractor business. We only work for subcontractors, as I say. That's our specialism. That's our mission, if you like, to support the subcontractors with the commercial management, dispute resolution, contractual support. And a typical client under a retainer contract would be generally an SME. Turnover would be typically 3 million upwards. Possibly a bit less, but normally a little bit larger than that. And they're the experts in what they do. They're really good at what they do out on site. They do a fantastic job. They know what they're doing, but they're not experts in the commercial management side, pulling their accounts together, their applications, their variations, delay claims, and the contracts. That's not what they do. That's not what they're good at. So we bolt into their teams on a part-time basis to basically give them that expertise and make sure that they're not only robust in terms of what they do out on site, but all the commercial and contractual management in the background is equally, if not stronger. But other clients work with us on a different basis. They might just have a particular dispute's arisen, and they'll contact us. We'll look at the dispute for them. We'll look at the contract first of all. We'll look at the correspondence, get to the bottom of the dispute, and then we'll advise them what the options are to resolve it. I mean, don't get me wrong, there are some cases where the advice has to be, sorry guys, there's nothing much you can do about it because of the terms of contract that you've signed up to, or the fact that you haven't got delay notices or adequate records in place. But that's unusual. Normally we're able to assist. We're able to step in, engage with the main contractor on the subcontractor's behalf, whether in correspondence or meetings or whatever, and if necessary to force the main contractor to resolve the matter through an adjudication or other means of dispute resolution. Other subcontractors, they just use us to check contracts, to review and produce a report on contracts before they actually sign them. So that's the process of going through the small print, identifying any clauses which are unreasonable or unfair, and therefore which need changing. We'll tell the subcontractor what the change wording should look like, and if necessary, negotiate that to a final agreement with the main contractor. And then in some cases, it's just a case of saying there's this notice requirement, there's this particular clause that you need to be aware of, and this is what you need to do to ensure that you're on top of it and manage it as you go along.